Students, we are doing chapter number 2. So I told you that you have to prepare a chart, okay, of whatever you eat over a period of a week. Okay, some students have confusion in it. So I will tell you that how you can prepare. Blackboard is visible to you all. Board is visible. Okay. So here you have to write day. Okay. For example, you are starting it from today. Today is Thursday. And then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and so on for 7 days. Okay, clear? And here you can write meal in lunch, breakfast, and then you will leave a small gap that you are eating in between. Okay, if there जो आप ब्रेकफास्ट और लंच के बीच में कोई भी स्नैक्स या कुछ भी फ्रूट्स खाते हो, they here you will write. Okay, and then again between lunch and dinner you are having snacks, anything. Okay, you can write, and then here you will write dinner. Okay, clear? So in this way you have to prepare chart on your notebook. Clear? So next is in this chart you can make Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Up to Wednesday you will make this chart. Clear? And next come on the page number 15. Please open page number 15. Topic is 2.4 deficiency diseases. So sometimes क्या होता है कि जो पर्सन है उसको न्यूट्रिएंट अगर कोई प्रॉपर पर्टिकुलर न्यूट्रिएंट नहीं मिलता है तो उसकी बॉडी में क्या आ जाती है, डेफिशिएंसी आ जाती है उस न्यूट्रिएंट की. ओके, और उस न्यूट्रिएंट की डेफिशिएंसी की वजह से उसको क्या है, डिसीज होती है, और उसको क्या बोलते हैं, डेफिशिएंसी डिसीज. क्लियर? It is on the first para of the topic 2.4. So in this we will learn about the deficiency diseases that are caused due to various nutrients. Clear? अगर वो हम प्रॉपर उनको नहीं ले रहे हैं, अगर वो हमारी डाइट में बैलेंस डाइट नहीं है और उसमें वो न्यूट्रिएंट नहीं है, तो फिर क्या होगा, हमें कोई ना कोई उससे डिसीज होगी. बट द पॉइंट, इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज, अगर वो हम फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए नहीं ले रहे हैं, ऐसे नहीं कि आज आपने विटामिन ए नहीं खाया है या विटामिन बी नहीं लिया है तो आपको डिसीज हो जाएगी कोई ना कोई. नो. क्लियर? इट इज फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए अगर आप नहीं ले रहे हो. क्लियर? फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे कि पुअर पर्सन है, जो पुअर पीपल है जिनकी डाइट उनकी प्रॉपर नहीं है. क्लियर? विच आर लो पॉवर्टी लाइन, बिलो द पॉवर्टी लाइन प्रेजेंट है जो, ठीक है, उनको पूरा खाना अच्छे से नहीं मिलता है. क्लियर? सो उनको जो है ये डिसीजेस हो सकती हैं. क्लियर? ऐसे नहीं है कि आप एक दिन नहीं लोगे, आपने एक दिन एप्पल नहीं खाया है या आपने एक दिन ऑरेंज नहीं खाया है तो आपको विटामिन की कोई ना कोई डेफिशिएंसी हो जाएगी और आपको उससे बिल्कुल एकदम से आपको डिसीज हो जाएगी. नो. सो इट इज फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. क्लियर? एंड okay, clear? So a person, I am reading the para. A person may be getting enough food to eat, but sometimes the food may not contain a particular nutrient If this continues for a long period of time, the person may suffer from deficiency. Underline this. अगर वो ऐसे नहीं कि फूड हम ले रहे हैं, बट अगर हमें वो न्यूट्रिएंट वी आर नॉट गेटिंग दैट न्यूट्रिएंट, देन for a long time, then the person may suffer from the deficiency. Clear? So due to the deficiency of the diseases, there may be some diseases in our body. Okay, हमारी बॉडी जो है प्रॉपरली वर्क नहीं करेगी. We feel lazy and we have low energy. हमें कोई ना कोई प्रॉब्लम रहेगी, सिम्टम्स आएंगे किसी ना किसी चीज के. कोई अगर कोई आपको डिसीज होती है तो कोई ना कोई इलनेस हो जाएगी. क्लियर? सो देयर ड्यू टू द डेफिशिएंसी देयर विल बी डिसीज और डिसऑर्डर इन आवर बॉडी. क्लियर? सो diseases that occur due to lack of such of nutrients over a long period of time are called deficiency diseases. It is given in bold. So underline this. Diseases that occur due to lack of nutrient over a long period that we have discussed. I told you that for a long period of time होना चाहिए, तब वो जो है हमें deficiency disease होती है. Clear? Now next is PEM. PEM. You have to write it on your book. जहाँ भी आपको empty space मिला है, you can write. So what is PEM? What is the full form? It is protein, energy, malnutrition. Write it on your book. Protein, energy, malnutrition. Clear? It is key. Okay, so what happens in this one, that there is an imbalance. There is an imbalance. For example, अगर किसी पर्सन को प्रोटीन और एनर्जी ज्यादा चाहिए, but the food he is eating, it is not giving that much of energy, तो फिर उसमें क्या होगा? PEM होगा. उसका मतलब प्रोटीन एनर्जी malnutrition. Clear? So there is imbalance of the between the supply, कि उसको कितनी हम उसको सप्लाई दे रहे हैं खाने की, and the demand of the body. ठीक है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जैसे कि मुझे रोज 10 ग्राम प्रोटीन चाहिए. ठीक है? सपोज कीजिए मुझे 10 ग्राम प्रोटीन चाहिए, आई एम जस्ट सपोजिंग, और मुझे 100 किलो कैलोरीज एनर्जी चाहिए रोज अपना पूरा वर्क करने के लिए, बट I am not getting that much of protein and energy. So what will happen? There will be PEM, protein, energy, malnutrition. Okay, there is imbalance between the diet I am taking. Clear? So I am writing the definition. मुझे चाहिए कितनी 10 ग्राम और मैं कितना ले रही हूँ 1 ग्राम. मुझे 100 किलो कैलोरी एनर्जी चाहिए और मैं कितना ले रही हूँ 25 किलो कैलोरी. So there is imbalance in the मुझे the need of my body and the supply that I am giving. Clear? So you can write the definition. So I am writing here imbalance between supply of protein and energy and body's demand. So you can write it on your book. Clear? So protein, energy, malnutrition is imbalance between the supply of the protein and energy and the body's demand. Clear? जितना हमें प्रोटीन एनर्जी चाहिए वो हमें उसकी वो पूरी डिमांड जो है नहीं मिल रही है, पूरी हमारी जो हमें जो चाहिए वो हमें प्रोटीन एनर्जी की वैल्यू में नहीं मिल रहा है, उतना अमाउंट नहीं मिल रहा है। क्लियर? एंड द नेक्स्ट is next disease that we will discuss is, it is given in the next para. It is, you can write the name, it is Kwashiko and its spelling is and its pronunciation is Kwashiko. Kwashiko. Okay. So in this disease, what will happen? There are symptoms of this disease. The symptoms are, there will be a stunted growth. उनकी ग्रोथ प्रॉपरली नहीं होगी। अगर किसी पर्सन को ये डिसीज है, एंड देयर विल बी स्वेलिंग ऑफ फेस, swelling of face and discoloration of hair and skin diseases. It is given in the next para, you can underline there also. Discoloration of hair. And next is skin disease. And the last one is diarrhea. So in this Kwashiko, what will happen? The symptoms are that their growth, proper surgery growth नहीं होगी, there will be swelling in the face and discoloration of the hair. That means the black color changes. Okay, it get discolored. And the next is skin disease, and the next is diarrhea. So in the diarrhea, that means loose motions or constipation. Here that means a watery stool. Here, so I am reading the next para. If a person does not get enough protein in his or her body for a long time, so what is the cause of this? ये क्यों हो रहा है? Due to the deficiency of the proteins. उसको इतने ज्यादा प्रोटीन नहीं मिल रहे हैं जितने उसको चाहिए. Clear? It is due to the less intake of the protein. Clear? Now next is, he or she is likely to have stunted growth, swelling of face, discoloration of hair, skin diseases and diarrhea. And the next is the disease that we will discuss, is marasmus. It is marasmus. So it is due to the less intake of the carbohydrates and proteins. मीन्स के जो पर्सन है उसको कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स प्रॉपर इनफ डाइट में नहीं मिल रहा है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स एंड प्रोटीन. क्लियर? एंड व्हाट आर द सिम्टम्स? दैट growth stop. There is a stop in there is the growth of that person will stop. And the next is the person becomes lean and thin. बिल्कुल वो पतला हो जाएगा. Clear? And the next, he becomes very weak, that he is unable to walk. Here, so we have discussed the two diseases. The first one is Kwashiorkor. It is caused it is caused in that person in which the person is not getting enough protein. Okay, and we have done the symptoms also in the marasmus. It is due to the less intake of the carbohydrates and protein. Clear? In this, the growth में stop, lean and thin हो जाएगा, वो person weak हो जाएगा and इतना weak हो जाएगा कि वो उससे अच्छे से walk भी नहीं कर सकता है वो. Clear? So the next is, it is given in the next para. If the diet is deficient in both carbohydrates and protein for a long time, the growth may stop completely. Such a person becomes very lean and thin. So you have to mark it, make a star over it on these paras. And also write the name of the disease. It is not written in your book. Kwashiorkor and marasmus. Next is, deficiency of different vitamins and minerals may also result in certain diseases or disorders. क्या है next की? Due to the deficiency protein, vitamins and minerals से भी कोई ना कोई disease होती है, that is given in your table 2.3. Okay, and therefore we should take so we are talking about that the person should take proper balanced diet so that these diseases will not occur in the body. Okay, so please read table 2.3. Yes, Tanishka.
Ma'am, in table 2.3, in the vitamin, the loss of vitamin A could cause loss of vision. Vitamin B1 could cause beriberi, and vitamin C could cause scurvy.
Okay.
The deficiency of vitamin D will cause rickets, and calcium will cause bone and tooth decay. Deficiency of iodine can cause goiter, and deficiency of iron can cause anemia.
Yes, you have to please anemia. It is anemia, and students make correction in the spelling of goiter. It is Goitre. Okay, Goitre. So I will tell you the symptoms of vitamin A. So there will be a poor vision, okay, or loss of vision in darkness. Sometimes complete loss of vision. Means कि उसको अच्छी तरह से जो person को vitamin A है, loss of vision हुआ है, उसको properly दिखाई नहीं देगा. Clear? And the next, vitamin B1. There will be a weakening of the muscles and there will be low amount of energy to do work. Clear? And vitamin C, the symptoms are there will be bleeding gums. Okay, and the gums, the wounds take longer time to heal. And in the vitamin D, the bones become soft and weak. Okay, and they bend. And due to the deficiency of calcium, what are the symptoms? Weak bones or tooth decay. And due to the deficiency of iodine, there will be a swollen part near the neck. Okay, it may be in the front or in the back also. उसमें बिल्कुल swollen area बन जाता है. Clear? And there will be mental disability also in the child. And the next is iron, anemia. So there will be weakness in the body of that person. Clear? So now please come to the Exercise part. Name the major nutrients of our food. So what are the major nutrients? Yes, Tanish, yes, Rudra.
Ma'am, carbohydrates and fats.
Yes. Other, Rohani.
Vitamin, minerals, fats,
Yes.
dietary fibers, water.
Yes, these are needed by the body, but the major, it is given on page number 9 also, at the top of the page. Fourth line, the major nutrients in our food are named carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Okay? And you can, so you will write this answer on your notebook. It is very easy. Clear? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Clear? And the next second part. Second question is, name the following. The first one is the nutrients which mainly give energy to our body. Yes, raise your hand. Yes, Manpreet. The nutrients which mainly give us energy. कौन से वो दो nutrients that gives us energy? Yashika.
फैट्स वाला क्वेश्चन है.
Yes.
मैम, घी, बटर.
No, we have to just name the nutrients. It is carbohydrates. We have to tell the nutrients.
Ma'am,
Carbohydrates and fats.
fats.
हमने उनके सोर्स नहीं लिखने हैं, हमें उनका न्यूट्रिएंट का नेम लिखना है. Clear? And next, Sargun, the nutrients that are needed for our for the growth and maintenance of our body.
Vitamins and minerals.
Yes, you can. The nutrients that are needed for the growth and maintenance of the body are vitamins and minerals are are needed our body to protect it. So these for the growth we need proteins.
Protein.
And C part, a vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight. Ghazal.
Vitamin A.
Yes. Vitamin A. And the next D, a mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. Yes, Arman. Calcium. Very good. And the next is name two foods each rich in fats. Name the food item which have fat. Yes.
Ghee, oil, and butter.
Yes. So you can write ghee, oil, and butter. And the next food item that contains
Potato beans. Potato rice.
potato and rice.
Beans and rice.
Yes, potato and rice. You can write it. Raw potato and rice. Next, dietary fibers.
Broccoli and vegetables.
Dietary fibers are
Vegetables like cucumber and water.
one by one. Yes, Ghazal, what are you saying?
Broccoli and barley. Raw vegetables.
So
Rice,
pulses, it is
cucumber
present in
and
pulses
oats.
also. So you can write any two.
vegetable.
Okay. Potatoes, pulses, fruits,
Orange.
vegetables, you can write. Any two. Clear? Next is protein. Protein is present in,
Meat, fish.
it is present in
Egg,
meat.
milk,
Yes,
egg
it is
milk.
present in meat and it is present in
Fish. Pulses.
pulses
And
also.
fish.
It is present in
And
gram,
fish.
beans. There are so many examples that are
And fish.
yes, fish also,
Egg and
egg also, right? So you have to just write only two. You will complete it on your book. Okay, second, third and fourth and fifth. ये आपको बुक पे ही करने है. सिर्फ वन जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वो आपका आंसर है, वो नोटबुक पे आएगा. Clear? And the next, tick the statement that are correct. By eating rice alone, we can fulfill nutrition requirement of our body.
false.
No.
Yes, it is false.
False.
B is it is false. Yes, the first one is false. Second, deficiency diseases can be prevented by eating a balanced diet.
Ma'am, true.
Yes, it is
Ma'am,
true.
true.
And the next, C part, balanced diet for the body should contain a variety of food items.
Yes. Ma'am, true. Yes.
Ma'am,
yes. Ma'am, true.
It is true.
Ma'am, true.
एक अगर हम पल्सेस ही खाई जाएंगे या सिर्फ फ्रूट्स ही खाई जाएंगे, so there will be deficiency of the disease surely. So D is meat alone is sufficient to provide all nutrients to the body.
False.
False. Yes, obviously.
False.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Next is fill in the blanks. That is caused by deficiency of vitamin D.
Cricket.
Rickets. Friends, Google form is already pasted. You can mark the attendance. Next is deficiency of dash causes a disease known as beriberi.
Vitamin B.
Vitamin B. Vitamin